Hello students, in today's class we are going to see the preparation of alcohols. Okay, in that the first method is from alkyl halides. Alkyl halides, this is what ethyl bromide CH3CH2Br. Ethyl bromide when reacts with alcoholic KOH, strong KOH, so potassium hydroxide or NaOH, or what NaOH also we can take sodium hydroxide or moist Ag2O. Moist Ag2O. If you take, they reacts with alkyl halides and gives alcohols here. What they gives alcohols. Okay. So alkyl halide CH3CH2Br when reacts with alcoholic KOH, it gives alcohols. This is what type of reaction it is. See here, this is Br minus it is. Okay. And this is K plus and OH minus. OH minus is a nucleophile, Br minus is also nucleophile. Okay, so this Br minus it is replaced by this OH minus. Br minus it is replaced by what? OH minus. Instead of what it is attacking here? OH minus here. So this is substitution reaction. Which substitution? Nucleophilic substitution reaction here. One nucleophile it gets substituted by this another nucleophile it is. So this reaction it is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction it is. Okay. So this is what primary alkyl halide it is. Primary alkyl halide. This carbon it is attached to the one carbon only here. Okay, so that's why it is what primary alkyl halide. When primary alkyl halide reacts with a strong KOH, it gives a primary alcohol here, CH3CH2OH plus KBr. K plus and Br minus it will be removed here as KBr here. Okay. Now secondary, this is what CH3CHBr CH3. It is what secondary. This is a secondary alkyl halide. It is secondary alkyl halide. It is propyl bromide, isopropyl bromide. What is this one? Isopropyl bromide. It reacts with KOH. It gives isopropyl alcohol or secondary alcohol we are getting here. Okay. But we will not get only secondary alcohol, but we are getting alkenes also. Along with this alcohol, we will get alkenes also. In primary alcohol, primary alkyl halide, they will give only primary alcohol. But in secondary alkyl halide, they will give a mixture of alcohols and alkenes. They will give a mixture of alcohols and alkenes. And same here for this is tertiary alkyl halide here. What is its name here? It is tertiary butyl bromide here. 4 carbons are there here. It is tertiary butyl bromide and it reacts with KOH. It gives what? Tertiary alcohol we will get here, or tertiary we will get here alkenes also. What we are getting here? Alkenes. Okay. Isobutene it is. What is this one? Isobutene. So why we are getting a mixture of this one, but in this major is alkene here and minor is what here? Alcohol here. So why we are getting mixture of this alcohol and alkenes for nucleophilic substitution reaction? Why it is so? Because always remember, when a nucleophilic substitution reaction is there, then in along with that nucleophilic substitution reaction, the elimination reaction also occurs side by side. Okay, whenever nucleophilic substitution reaction is here forming, then along with that one elimination reaction also will be formed here. Elimination reactions are also two types. Nucleophilic substitution reactions are of how many types? Two types, SN1 and SN2. Same like that, elimination reactions also two types, elimination E1 and E2 mechanism. In SN2 mechanism, we know that when SN2 mechanism it takes place more in primary alcohol, primary alkyl halide. Okay, nucleophilic substitution reaction. If you see the order for nucleophilic substitution reaction for SN2, what is the order? Primary, then secondary, and then tertiary. Means primary alkyl halide they undergoes easily for SN2 mechanism, and then secondary, and then what? Tertiary. Tertiary they undergoes very less in they will undergo SN2 mechanism. In SN2 mechanism, what will happen? This OH minus it will attack from back side of this group here. Okay, this is a strong base. Strong base is there, that's why they will not wait for the removal of this Br minus. They will not wait. They will directly attack from back side here, and one transition state will form here. In that we will have one OH minus is attacking from back side and Br minus is leaving here from front side here. Okay, so that's why afterwards that transition step over, we will get the alcohols here. So primary alkyl halide, they undergoes SN2 mechanisms and they will form what? Alcohol here. But when we come for the secondary and tertiary alkyl halide, along with the SN1 mechanism, they undergoes E1 and E2 mechanisms also. Okay, so for this, what is the order for SN1 and SN2 and E1 and E2? So see here, in primary alkyl halide, okay, they will form primary alcohol only. Why they will form primary alcohol only? Because they undergoes SN2 mechanism. Okay, in SN2 mechanism, order is primary alkyl halide, then secondary and what? Tertiary. That means here primary alkyl halide, they undergoes easily SN2 mechanism. Okay, so nucleophilic substitution reaction only takes place here for SN2 mechanism. But here, what is the order if you see? So that's why we are getting here alcohol only. They do not undergoes elimination reaction. Primary alkyl halide, they do not undergoes elimination reaction. Why? Because the order see now next here. So SN1 E1 elimination and E2 elimination reaction. The order is what? Tertiary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide, and then primary alkyl halide. Primary alkyl halide last it is. The means here the order of reaction it is. Tertiary alkyl halide undergoes easily SN1 mechanism. And SN1 mechanism. In SN1 mechanism, what will happen here? Formation of carbocation takes place here. Okay, so here this Cl minus it will loss, and here we will get here positive carbocation will form here, and then in next step this nucleophile will attack here. First this bond will break here, okay, and then in next step carbocation will form, and in next step OH minus is attacking here. Two step here in SN1 mechanism here. Similarly for even elimination reaction, how elimination reaction takes place? Elimination reaction takes place. Even mechanism means here first this Cl minus will be removed here, okay, then here formation of carbocation will takes place, and this is what? Alpha. What is this carbon? Alpha. The carbon to which the chlorine is attached, it is called alpha. What is it called? Alpha carbon here. This is alpha carbon, and the next carbon, this carbon, okay, beside this carbon, that is called beta carbon here. So in first step the chlorine will be removed here, so we will get here what? Cation here. In second step what will happen? In elimination reaction, this beta carbon, one hydrogen losses here, one hydrogen it has been removed here. This one hydrogen, it will give electron here, okay, so the bond will form here, will come what? Double bond here, alkene will form here. This is alpha beta elimination reaction, it is even mechanism, okay. So in this we will get alkene here. What will get here? Alkene. So elimination reaction order is what here? Tertiary alkyl halide, secondary and what? Primary. Because in nucleophilic substitution reaction or even elimination, in both the elimination the carbocation will form here. What will form here? Carbocation will form here. It will be takes place in two steps in both the mechanism, even mechanism and SN1 mechanism. Okay, so that's why here the order is tertiary alkyl halide, secondary and then what? Primary here. That means here in secondary alkyl halide, this undergoes both the reactions, elimination reactions also and the substitution reaction also. The order is same here. The order is what here? Same. So means here, but the elimination is more in instead of the substitution reaction for tertiary alkyl halide here. That's why for tertiary alkyl halide, when reacts with strong KOH, it gives alkene. It gives what? Alkene as a major product. And in secondary alkyl halide we have the same order, SN2 mechanism also in second place, in this SN1 and even mechanism also it is in second place. That's why secondary alkyl halide it gives a mixture of alcohol and alkene. So this is the main reason why we are getting the mixture of alcohols and alkenes for secondary alkyl halide and tertiary alkyl halide, because in nucleophilic substitution reaction, always remembers they undergoes both. They undergoes what? Elimination reaction also, okay, and they undergoes substitution reaction also. Both reaction it will takes place for secondary and what? Tertiary alkyl halide. But primary alkyl halide they undergoes only nucleophilic substitution reaction. That's why we are getting here alcohol. So this method it is used probably to form primary alcohol. For the preparation of what? Primary alcohol, this method is good. But for secondary and tertiary alcohols we are not getting only alcohols, we are getting a mixture of alcohols and alkenes here. Okay, understood. That's why this method is not preferable for the preparation of alcohol. So it is not given in the NCERT textbook. So in NCERT textbook they have started with preparation of alcohols from alkenes, hydration of alkenes. So the important topic, very important preparation, the mechanism of hydration of alkene, it will come in final exam, theory exam for 3 marks compulsory every year. So that we are going to see in next video. Thank you so much for watching.